I was given 24 hours to drive from Atlanta, Georgia, through Jacksonville, down to Daytona to pick up a free truck, or that truck was going to get sent to the junkyard. With such short time, I had no other option. I grabbed Jake. Jake brought his Tahoe on 26x16, which isn't the best vehicle to be towing things with. We stopped by our buddy's house. We picked up a trailer that wasn't ours.
The text message that we got was, hey, there's a couple of sticks on the trailer.
We had to drive to Daytona, pick up the truck, turn around, come back, don't get pulled over by the cops, and make it back to Southern Tire. Now the truck's been sitting here for a year and I haven't touched it, and I kind of want to build it. What should we do?
Up there too. Oh my gosh. The one thing in this world I don't like, and it is, ooh, and it's spiders. Oh my.
You ever get that feeling you're like, we need to get the hell out of here? It's one of those moments.
Today we've got one goal. I've got one mission in today's video. We're gonna start the series off in a basic way. I wanna get the truck cleaned out, and I wanna be able to get a jump box on it so we can get it moved. Been sitting here for a while. We'll get into more of the details later on, but I do know the truck is not moved in a couple of months. I know that the battery is gonna be dead. I do know that it has a new battery in it, but for some reason it keeps dying, so we got some kind of electrical issue there. Need to get the truck cleaned out and get it moved. Not the smartest thing that I did originally, parking it and putting it up on the bushes so I can't get the hood open. Not one of my smartest moves, but that's our goal today. Cleaned out and get it moved and get all the water out of the back. Look, there's tadpoles back here. There's tadpoles in the water that's in the bed. So we got stuff in the back that ultimately, that's nice. Oh, there we go. Stuff in the back ultimately that can't stay there, so it's gonna have to either come home or go in the trash, and I haven't, you know, obviously we haven't decided what we're gonna do with it yet, so it's gonna have to come home first, I guess. There's really no telling what kind of stuff is going to be back here. I mean, something like this. I mean, I guess you could use, but you probably wouldn't want to. There's a fishing rod back here, a couple of like weed eaters and stuff, a lawnmower that I don't know works, and a pressure washer, a rake. You might need a rake. A rake. I might use a rake. Oh. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Squirt out of there. Love it. By the way, if you guys want to check out any of the apparel that I wear in these videos, like the Southern Ties t-shirts or the Bass Pro Shop hats, I've got links in the description. The Southern Ties stuff will be on my website, southerntirescollection.com. I've got a couple of cool shirts on there and some Bread Gang shirts. And then I've got Amazon links to the Bass Pro Shop hats. If you guys want to support the channel, make sure you guys use those links. It'll help make videos like this possible. Mine actually could use the rod if the tip wasn't broken off. I don't just wear the Bass Pro Shop hats for nothing. Might be able to use the reel at some point though. This actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, except for the tadpoles that are back here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this lawnmower though. Cable doesn't work. I guess we can look into that. We got the back pretty much cleaned out except for the water. All this is trash over here, so we'll take that to the dumpster in a minute. Get the back cleaned out. Spray that out here in a little bit. Got to take some stuff from the inside. Oh wow, just noticed that. Awesome. Awesome. See the wasp nest? There's a wasp nest in the corner right there. Corner of the door. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Gotta figure something out there. Alright. Nothing a little brake cleaner won't fit, huh? Get him, get him, get him, get him. Get him. That's one. Where the other boys at?
Get him.
I think I got him. Brake cleaner for president. Look how quickly that dries off of there. See it dry, that's crazy. How hot that tire is. Playing no games, no games. For the most part, back's cleaned out. The main goal today was to get most of the stuff out so it was at least drivable. So now we've got some decent room in here. It does have this nice little cover, Velcro cover on the dash, which is nice. I know these Dodges are terrible about the dash is cracking. So we definitely still got some work ahead of us as far as cleaning it out. I want to get with Matt Odoms this week and get him to just do a full inside and out detail. So I need to be able to get the rest of the stuff out of the truck within the next couple of days. But for the most part, we now have a drivable Ram. I do know, like I said, that the battery is, something's going on with the battery. So my next goal before we end the video off today is to get it driving. So I'm gonna go grab the jump box and we're gonna move this bad boy. This is gonna be the fun part because last time I drove this, I didn't think about the fact that we're now pushed way up into the bushes. So I have to get the hood and everything open and do the jump box while it's pushed up into the bushes. So hold on. Whoa, come here. Whoa. Oh no.
What?
Holy crap, look.
What am I looking
Look at all the spiders.
Oh, they're fancy.
Whoa. Hold on, let me zoom in. Hold on. Look at all the spiders. They're all over the place.
Daddy, no.
Oh, they're all up there too. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so, my goodness. Oh gosh.
They're probably a where you watched it.
Oh my goodness. That's freaking terrifying. Look, a couple of them right there. That's freaking terrifying.
They're having a whole f***ing gang.
Whole bang in there. Jeez.
Hey, there's a spider web right there.
Woo! All right. Yep, there's a couple of them up there.
Look, they're dancing over there.
Bunch of them right there, Leah. Look, they're over there like having a good old time. Look at them. Over there mating or something. Ooh, there's one thing in this world I don't like, and it is.
You want to go look at the charger then?
Ooh, and it's spiders. Oh my gosh. All right. All right, here.
I don't want to touch it.
It's just the camera. Just stay over here. But as I move back, so there's no hood latch on it right now, and the hood doesn't stay open. So, but it does crank. It does run. Maybe not. What did I do the other day? I did something the other day and got it started. I don't remember what it was.
See if it works.
Oh, we got power!
We got some lights to come on. That's good.
All right, I'm gonna throw the jump box on it too.
We got the jump box and the jumper cables hooked up now.
Let's go!
She's running, boys. Let's take a little trip, shall we?
Like I said, it runs and drives. It's not overheating or anything. Everything's good. We just have that battery problem. I don't know what the deal is, to be honest. I put a new cover over the steering wheel the last time I messed with this. I know that this is going to be the first video that you guys are really seeing this on the channel, and the first time I'm really ever, you know, displaying it on the channel. But oh, sorry, a little spider web. But this is going to be the start. We're either going to build it or sell it, or build it to sell it. You know, whichever. So I'm just gonna, as of right now, I'm just trying to move it around a little bit. The brakes are real rusty. It's gonna need brakes, gonna need tires. We need to get the inside cleaned up. It will do a burnout, I do know that. Horn works. Look at me. Driving in the dang thing. Woo, buddy. Runs and drives, baby. Runs and drives. I think we've accomplished the mission for the day, the goal for the day. Get it moved, get it running. I got to figure out that battery drawer issue. But the main goal, obviously, like I said for today's video, was to get most of the stuff out of it, get the truck moving, get it out of the bushes. My next journey is to finish getting the rest of the stuff out, and then me and Matt Odoms are going to go to town on this thing. Then we got brakes, tires. I'm thinking about maybe a little leveling kit, maybe put some adapters on it, and put some of the Chevy wheels with some spacers on it. Wouldn't that be cool to give it some stance? Because I know that these trucks will allow for a lot of stance as opposed to the Silverados. I know that we can fit a really wide wheel and tire on this without having to do a bunch to it. So I'm pretty excited to, you know, level the front out a little bit, throw some wide boys on there. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see with this truck. Build it, sell it, day one of the series. Let's get this bread.